Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. I'm home alone, eating my dinner. Alam niyo kung ano yan? Ano yan guys? Pork na nilagyan ko ng kasoy nuts at cabbage at oink-oink. Ayan nga yan guys. Pero masarap pala. Pwede na rin. Pwede na, pwede na. Ayun guys, alam mo ba, I have a silent life today because Mons drive to her mom yesterday evening. And but his car is there in front of Norlos. I don't know what kind of drama he have, but always, escaping is his plan. But honestly, he have a complete mind. If he escape because he have a plan, yeah, that's what his plan today. And today I need to continue to have a peaceful life. If he want to running away because they have a biggest plan how to send me to the prison because of that person. If there's something happen to him, it's not my fault. I cannot control him all the time, and I don't want to be nanny to him all the time because you know what, after how many years from 2004 until now, and then every time that I call hotlines or police, they didn't entertain me good. They give me a lot of telephone number that I need to spend more time to talk to them. But honest is, they play my life in a short way, yes. And this time, if they are thinking that I will worried because Don Mons, the important Don Mons in Denmark is very important that, he is missing. I'm sorry guys, I don't want to work hard anymore to find him because I cannot control him. Even her sister, last time that her sister been here, I talked to her if what her decision. I asked her what her decision. Do you want that we send him to the mental hospital? She said no because the doctor didn't find something that brain is, in easy way is brain is okay, like what she said. That's why guys, I make this video to prove myself that, if there's something happened to him, it's not my fault. So no one can send me to the prison because they make plans to send me to the prison like what they want. And why they didn't ask to her sister because it's her sister fault. She said that she want to taking care of Mon, so I'm out of that problems already. Yun lang guys, update in my life is yes, that's my updated. And I've been outside today to buy something. Everything is expensive now. Yes, and I need to, save a little bit, not use too much because I don't have money in Denmark. And they are happy for that. Oh my God. Yesterday, I've been there in my work where I'm working in Digma, yes. One of the personnel there, he is laughing because I'm poor. She don't have money, she said. Yes, I know, I don't have money. Are you happy now? But, secret, I have a secret that you know. Okay, that's it guys. Bye! Have a nice day sa inyong lahat. God bless you all. And to all of my subscribers, thank you so much to staying to my YouTube channels. I hope that they'll never move away. Bye-bye.